How to get Spotify Premium for students. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to get Spotify Premium for student. So in order to get a Spotify Premium account for student, first thing first, you'll have to check your internet connection, and you'll have to go through some procedures. First thing, you'll have to fill out the share ID verification form, and then you'll be asked to log in into your college or university portal or to upload proof of your enrollment and also ever and all that details. First thing, open up your Spotify account. Make sure that you already have a Spotify account as well. If not, then you have to start from the very first step. Now once you're logged in, go to your premium or just tap the premium button, and here scroll down a bit and go to premium students. So click on try for 1 month free, and this is going to take you to the other enrollment page. So as already mentioned, you'll have to fill out the share ID verification form. So click the next button, and then you'll be asked to log in into your college or university portal, and you'll have to submit all of these detailed information. And once you're done filling out the form, the share ID will email you a confirm eligibility, and in the confirmation email you can apply the premium student discount to a new or an existing Spotify account. So in this way you can get Spotify Premium for students. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.